In this video, I'm going to
how you
show
can
easily report an account on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very
so
end
you don't
make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys.
And the
first of you need to open up TikTok app. And then once you find an account that posts some appropriate content, then all you have to do is just stop at their profile picture at the right side. That will open up their TikTok page. And after that, we need to tap right here at this arrow. And from here, if we drag it a bit to the left, we'll find here a report tool. Now I'm gonna tap on it. On the next step, we choose whether you would like to report an account or that particular video by selecting Report Content. I'm gonna choose Report Account here. On the next step, we need to choose a reason why we are reporting this account. Let's say here we can select Posting Inappropriate Content. After that, we need to choose it more specifically. Let's say misinformation, or maybe nudity and sexual content, or hate and harassment. I'm just gonna select that option here. We can also select one of these options, like hate speech or harassment and bullying. I'm gonna select that one. And basically, guys, we are ready to send our report. And all we have to do now is just hit right here at Submit button to send our report to TikTok support team. Basically, guys,
that's it.
So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.